Most people get this wrong when choosing a business debit card. They assume all debit cards for businesses are basically the same. But here's the truth no one tells you. The right business debit card can actually save money, improve cash flow control, and simplify your entire business accounting. In this video, you will learn the best business debit cards for small businesses in 2026, how they work, and how to choose the one that actually fits your business needs. Let's get right into it. First, understand what a business debit card really does. It connects directly to your business bank account and lets you spend only the money you actually have. So when Alex runs his small business and pays for supplies, marketing, or subscriptions, every transaction is instantly deducted from his account. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike credit cards, debit cards help you avoid debt entirely. That makes them perfect for small business owners who want control and stability without borrowing. But here's the problem most beginners face. They pick a business debit card based only on the bank name, not on fees, rewards, transaction limits, or digital tools. Then they end up stuck with a card that does not support their growth. Let's break down the best types of business debit cards in 2026. First, online business bank debit cards. These are linked to digital business accounts with no physical branches. They are fast, modern, and often come with no monthly fees and easy mobile management. If John runs an online store, this is usually the most efficient option. Second, traditional bank business debit cards. These come from large banks and offer strong reliability, in-person support, and wide ATM networks. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake business owners make when using debit cards that silently affects their cash flow every month. Third, fintech business debit cards. These are modern platforms that combine banking with budgeting tools, invoicing and expense tracking in one dashboard. Fourth, startup-friendly business debit cards. These are designed for new businesses and often come with perks like free transfers, cashback, or waived fees for the first year. Fifth, high-limit business debit cards. These are useful for growing businesses that handle large daily transactions and need fewer restrictions. Now let's talk real-world usage. In 2026, popular business debit card options come from online banking platforms, fintech providers, and major banks that offer business checking accounts. The key is not just the card itself, but the ecosystem behind it. So how do you actually choose the right business debit card? Step 1 is match it with your business bank account. Step 2 is check transaction limits and fees. Step 3 is look for tools like expense tracking and integrations with accounting software. Step 4 is make sure ATM access and transfer options match your daily needs. Here is a real example. Alex uses a fintech business debit card linked to his business account. He tracks every expense in real time, avoids overspending, and keeps clean records for taxes without extra effort. So are business debit cards worth it in 2026? Yes. Especially for small businesses that want control, simplicity, and better financial discipline without relying on credit. To wrap it up, the best business debit card is not the one from the biggest bank, but the one that fits how your business actually operates every day. If this helped you, like the video, comment what type of business you run, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you grow smarter and manage money better.